Keep that bike rubber side down.
Good, ladies and gents, how's it going? I'm out on another Sunny Bear adventure. But this time, the letters B for buy. What have I got to tell you about? I've got to tell you about the things I last bought for my motorbike. But because I have 3 motorbikes, I'm going to have to tell you about the 3 things I bought for them. Awesome. Well, let's start with where we're at. I'm on the KTM 390 Duke 2017 version. And technically the last thing I bought for this was a rear tyre, which I got as a pair with another front tyre. But my front tyre hasn't worn out yet. But they're not really accessories, although the rear tyre was definitely an upgrade. It was the M7 versus the standard M5 that the KTM comes with on the Metzlers, and it handles lovely, as you can see with how well I can throw this little thingy around. But like I say, they're not really accessories. So what was the last accessory I bought for my little 390? It was these handguards. They were the last things. They were bike specific. I don't really count things like the phone holder, because I tend to swap that about between bikes, so it wasn't specifically for this bike, although currently it might be relegated to that as I've just got a new one. But that's a different story. So yeah, that's this one, the handguards. Why did I buy them? Well, I ride this bike all year round, and having handguards, it's blooming awesome in the colder months, because it just takes that wind off your fingers. I wouldn't say it keeps your hands toasty warm, but it keeps them warm enough to last a little bit longer on the bike. So what's next on the list? I guess the next bike would be my Triumph, my Street 77765R. What was the last thing I bought for that? Well, I believe it was the RNG paddock stand bobbins. And I absolutely think that they're a must on any bike that has a chain driven drive. I mean, they're blooming useful on any motorcycle, but if you've got a chain that you need to adjust periodically, an absolute godsend. So what else? Whee! Yes, so the Triumph. Why did I buy the paddock stand bobbins? Because it's such a pain in the backside to adjust your chain if you don't have them. You whack it up on a paddock stand, and you can spin that wheel and get it all adjusted nicely. I don't actually know why bikes don't come with them as standard, but I guess more and more companies are offering paddock stand bobbins as an option on their bikes when you buy them new, so they kind of are available. The RNG ones were just because they were handy to get on eBay, but the Triumph ones or any of the other ones, they're all much alikeness, and they all cost pretty much the same sort of monies. It's getting all to me, you know, leaves are beginning to fall. It's going to get slidey soon, horribles. And then my last bike, that's the Moto Guzzi, the Moto Guzzi V7 Stone, which is what it was when I first got it. It's not really much of a V7 Stone now, and that one's been highly, heavily and massively modified, which means it was a build. I mean, it started off being a complete bike that was absolutely fantastic, but I wanted to put my own mark on it, and I did that very muchly. Now I've actually made a showcasing video showing all the things that I bought for that bike and done to that bike, so I'm not going to go into all of them, but I'll talk about my favourite bits. And there's 2 items that spring to mind. One which was really expensive, and one which was cheap as chips. Everyone comments on my exhaust pipes, but they were probably the cheapest upgrade I did on that bike. I think if I got them from the cheapest place you can get them from, they're about 25 quid an exhaust. Absolute bargain, eh? Now the opposite end of the spectrum on that bike is the Kineo wheels. They're absolutely stunning. They'll only ever fit on that bike, so I can't even take them off and put them on a future bike I buy, which is a bit sucky, but hey, it makes that bike even more my own. road gets a bit rough and greasy around it, so watch your lean angles, PD. It's just here that's the problem, all gets rippled up. There we go. So yeah, the Kineo wheels, they're absolutely stunning, tubeless spoke wheels, so there's no chance of the air leaking out through the spoke nipples. Awesomes, and they look pretty damn clean too. So yes, that's my favourite thing on the Guzzi, with the exhaust pipes and the wheels. Now then, we've just got the silly little sunny bear dance to do. Let's find somewhere where there's some people. So sunny bear, 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 and sunny bear. And off we go, never to see them again in our lives. That was actually a little bit of a trick. I've had to do this video a couple of times now. Not that it's any of your concern, but I've had some issues. And the last issue I had was with my editing software. I couldn't do something I needed to do to be able to put the last video out I made on this subject. So I've had to redo it. So you're getting me running around the bike on that video rather than on this video, which is now on this video. So it is this video. So yes, that stuff, things, deal with it, not my problem. Anyhow, if you like this video, give it a little thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a little thumbs down. That's all good, we don't mind, we don't care, but whatever makes you happy. And if you haven't done so already, click that subscribe button. That way when I post more stupid shit, you can find it easier and things. But yes, that's this video done. We are done. We have a video that's complete and has audio and stuff, and we are happy. Yes, we're happy. So anyway, as always, you ride safe, take care, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Bye for now!
Keep that rubber side down. You know, you gotta keep that bike rubber side down.